Hello, and welcome back to I Know How To. If you're looking to build practical tech and data skills, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to cover how to install MySQL, create a MySQL database, and connect using Power BI. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website, dev.mysql.com downloads installer. You want to I selected this version, the larger version. And then I also, during the install, after you download it and you run it, I selected the full install because I'm not sure what all I want to do. So I want everything to be in place. I'm going to install everything. So it's click execute, and all the prerequisites that you need will be installed for you. So just execute that. And then after you're done there, you want to make sure that on the type, when you're configuring the type and network, don't change anything, just click next. And then authentication, use a strong password. I added a user, I added admin as my username, and then I entered my password. And then you want to make sure, now if this is just me, I don't like a whole lot of stuff starting when I open up my computer. I want to be able to start the service for what I'm using that day because I'm doing a whole lot. So I decided to uncheck start service. For you, if you're comfortable, you can keep that checked and it'll start up every time you boot up your computer. Grant full access to all users, click access, and then enter your password to check your connection. I'm going to go to get my database file. I'm going to go to this link right here. I'm going to download the SQL database, install the database, and run some queries. So we're going to do that. We're going to do that now. So right now, here is the GitHub repository where I'm going to get the database that I want to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm in this repository. You just click download, download the file. And when you go to the file, just move that file over. Now I've already installed the database, and this is what it looks like when you install it. I can go home, but it will look like this. Okay. um, I'm now at a place where I can just, at this point, there's no databases on here, but I'm going to move this database file over. So I'm going to go to my Windows Explorer, and I'm going to get that file that I downloaded, and I'm going to move it where I can pull it in. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to create a new place for it, and I'm going to say new folder, MySQL. Uh-oh, because I've already downloaded this file. Oh, do I already have one? Oh, I guess I do. Put that there. And so now I'm gonna go to back here, and I'm gonna say open a SQL script. And so I'm gonna open up this script, select my database, and now, as you can see, the script is going to do a number of things. It's going to create this database. It's going to add the schema. I mean, it's going to create the tables in there. That's one table, employee demographics. This is another table, employee salary. These are the columns in the table. And then this is going to insert the data into the employee demographics right here. This is the data. And then in the employee salary, which is this one right here, it's going to insert all the data into there. And these are the column names. And basically, it's going to do all that for you. So to execute, you just run the data, well, you have an error syntax. Let me run that. Okay, so that created. I don't know why there's a syntax error. I just run one table at a time. Maybe because it was trying to drop an employee. And I'll just run that. All right, so we're done. Now I'm gonna go over here. All right, so now let's look at the tables that we've created. So let's click Schema. Now the table that I created is Parks and Rec. So I'm going to refresh to see if that, and it does. It appears here at the top. So here on tables, click on the tables here. And now we see, because I just clicked on this table right here, and I see all my data. All right, so you can always run it. So that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this, and stay tuned for other videos, or you can connect with me on LinkedIn. All right, till I will see you in the next video.